How to delete a comment in Figma. So if you don't know how to add a comment or even edit it, we have a separate video for that. You can click a link above or simply go visit our channel. You can simply find the videos of Figma there. I mean the video on how to add or even edit a comment in Figma. So no big deal, you can just find it in our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a comment. So let's say you've already added a comment and let's say you want to delete it, you don't want it anymore there. All you have to do is go to the right a panel and go to the three-dot bar, and there's option of delete thread. Simply tap into that and it is asking you, are you sure you want to delete this comment? This action cannot be undone. So if you're sure, simply go hit that delete button, but if it's just a mistake, you can always cancel it. But since I want to delete this one, simply tap in that delete button and okay, some error has occurred. I'm wondering why. Let's try it again and delete, and there you go. At the second time I was successful. So this is how you basically delete a comment. There's no such thing as delete a comment option, but it says delete a thread. But don't get confused, that is exactly what it means. It means deleted comment. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Tech Basic. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Happy designing.